Train comes in 5 minutes, thank you. Oh, I forgot to pay 45. Upon 25. I'm 45, not 25. Oh, sorry. Nah. Done. Here we go. Clearly this person does not know how to drive a train. Okay. You might be too big. 192. That's alright. Who cares big? I'm big enough to fit in here. Oh, I am not. So long that the narrator had to hire a new one. Phew. That took a long time. I turned 46. Whose birthday is it? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear 2.5. Happy birthday to you. Blah, 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 blah. They got so old that they had to hire a new one.